Simmer gonna simmer now when butter bean going, you know. Simmer.
Yeah.
Did you say simmer? Say simmer. And who got the what the taste for the dinner? Boy! Boy, I can't stone got the taste for the dinner. Trust me. Not a mercy. Not pigeon peas, gungo peas. Yeah. See there? That's the green one. People know I don't know. Every kitchen supposed to have a opener. What's this kind of opener, you know? Yeah, don't do this at home. You get in a trouble. Don't do this at home. One can of this. You're going to use. No, you can't cook it with this. Because the root of it carries sand or dirt in it sometimes. So when you cook it with this, automatically you taste it in the food later on. So you cut off these little part here. This is just to keep it from spoil. Yeah. This you have to cut up in the pot. Because later on when you cook, you're going to take over this. Yeah. So you just give it a little rub and put it in the pot. Now we can do the time from different ways. This now you don't cut it up and you take out one stalk of this and you tie it. So that is because you can't when the peas cook you have to take it out of the peas before you put the rice in it. Yeah. So you take one stalk of this and you tie it. See there, and it becomes a bundle. So when it cooks, you can take it up by the bundle. You put that in the same stuff. Yeah. Coconut milk for rice and peas. Yeah. And you put the amount of water where you want. Get him ready, you turn him on slow, same way. Same way, and within another hour from now, all of them they come together. You take out the skeleton and the thyme, and then you put in your rice. Then your rice go cook. The water already seasoned up, so your rice take it in. Yes, all the water you put in the pot, the rice are going to take it in. Yeah. Alright, that's ready to go fire. You can turn it on a low temp. No can't, you're supposed to turn it on a low temp. If you turn it high, it will get ignorant and boil over and not to the stove. And you lose the flavor of the coconut. Yes. Because the coconut is medicine, and I want you. Yeah, coconut is medicine. You have to use a brown rice. The white rice soft. You know what I mean? So by the time the water dry out of the peas, you know what I mean? The rice becomes soppy. The brown rice now, sometimes you have to add more water to it to make it bring it down to where you want it. So that's the science. Yeah. Cook a palatable meal. Yeah. Dirty stove, the meal unpalatable. Yeah. Yeah. Because you can't see a rush it. When you have enough to yourself, enough time to cook it, oh man, you want to eat some more. You want to bite all the bone. Yeah. Yeah. So you have to pay attention to it. Yeah. Once you cover it, it's sweat. Yeah, that's what the oxtail is supposed to look like. Yeah. If you don't season it when you look on it, when the water hit it, the meat white. Yeah. No flavor, no taste. Yeah. See the milk a bubble up? Yeah. So the peas are cooked, the season, the time and the skeleton are cooked in a easier way. Yeah. And I'm telling them to put salt in my pot. Okay. Longer bubble. A longer bubble. Yes, you get me. No, we get far away from cooking. Yeah. That's all you have to do. If you want it to cook fast, you have to show water in it, and then you're going to lose it. Lose everything. All the season when you put in there, you're going to lose. But make certain that the piece cook. Yeah. Because after you put the rice in there, no water now will come forward. Yeah, so you have to make sure that piece cooked. That's what it looks like. When it cook now, all of them are gone. Yeah. Turn on the light right there now. Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to make it cook, come out, if not the bean have a mash out. So you have to make certain that the thing cook. Alright. All of them now can come out and now. We can put the rice in now because the scale and cook, the time cook. You see what left out at the time I just stick. So all the leaves come off of it. Yeah. But I can sit there a little more, make it take a more eat. Because we're not in a rush.